Alright guys, welcome to the second part of this tutorial. I'm so sorry, I never knew this video will actually extend to this time. Probably because I'll actually explain things bit by bit for you to understand. I'm so sorry, but we will be ending in this part. So let's go back to the code. And we created a function in the last session called generate random numbers, and we said we are going to make this function reusable. You can use it anywhere, anytime. It's going to be dynamic. So this function will actually generate a random number anytime we call it. So the only way we can actually test it for now is using an event called onload. We actually pass in this generate random number. So we want to check, is it 0 to 10 or 0 to 100 that we want the number to generate for us. So let's pass in 10 and see. And once that is done, now I don't think this will work because we're only returning. So for testing purpose, let's say alert. Sorry, alert random. So this will actually alert the random. So anytime we actually load this, okay, let me refresh for you to see. You can see it's 4. I'm going to refresh again. 3 again. So this is like a random number. So at every unload, at every refresh, you can see 0. So if we actually say we want it to be 0 to 100, you will see after 58, 9, 78, 5. So that's how it is. You can see we can pass in as many number that we want to, any number that we want to put in. So let me remove this unload because this is not where we are going to use it, and I would like to return it back to this. Fine. So what exactly do we want to do? Each time we click start game, we want a number to be generated for us to guess. I hope you understand. You click start game, a number is being generated hidden somewhere, and that is the number we'll try to guess. We don't really know it, but we'll try to get it. So what we need to do is to actually call this function where, since it's the start game, we call it start game. Now we are going to pass in, let's do 0 to 9 and see. So I'm going to call it I'm call it number to guess. Yeah, I've actually set it to number to guess, which is fine. Now we can't see it, but we need to actually know that we actually generated this guy. So let's alert it, number to guess, and see if that actually works. So I'm going to refresh. Yes, can see. So it means at every time we start a game, it's going to generate a number. Why is it generating the same number for me? Let me see again. Okay, 4. So okay, this is fine. I'm going to remove this. Now that is done. So looking at this now, we know we have an hidden generated number that once we type in 3, for example, and we say we guess it, you need to do the comparison. That's where we need to use a conditional statement like the if else statement. So how do we go about it? We need to hide this number somewhere. We need to hide it somewhere. Now let's go back to index file. I'm going to create an hidden input. I'll call it hidden, or let's call it test first so we can actually see it's hidden, and call the ID to be what can I call it, hidden number. Let me call it hidden number, and value. Okay, there's no need. So is there hidden number? So let's go to our script.js. Once we need to do something like this, that each time document.gets element by ID, hidden number dot value equals number to guess. Now, if you actually understand what I'm trying to do here, let me close this so you see the screen. So if you actually see what I'm trying to do here, you will understand okay, that whatever value we get from the generated number is going to pass into this hidden field that is here. I hope you understand. So let's test it and see. Refresh, start game. Okay, you can see it's 1. Refresh, start game, 7. I hope you can see that. So but we really don't want to display it, we need to hide it. So it's going to be hidden. Refresh and you start, it's no longer there, but somehow it's hidden. So that is that. We know we have our generated number. So the next thing to actually work on now is the guess now function. Now let me create a function called guess now. Okay, is there? Is up here? Is there? Now guess now. So what we need to do first of all is to actually get the hidden value. Where is it? Let me copy this to make this the fastest for typing. So I will say hidden number equals, we will call it so hidden value equals the dot value, and we have this particular text, this particular text box, so we need to also get that. What's number? So var number equals this. I'll just need to trying to make things faster here. So we have the two. Now this is where we run our conditional statements. So we'll do if number, which is this, is equal to hidden value. Let's just run a lot. Say something like really guess right. Oops, sorry. Now else a lot. So something like oops. try again. Alright, I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. I hope you understand everything that is going on here. So there is an else. My else is it's fine. Okay, now. So I'll try to make this as fast as possible. Don't know why I'm getting this. Okay, let's see. So why this? That's strange. Okay, let's run it and see. So I'm going to start the game. I don't know the number, so let me just put 2. Oops, try again. Let me try and put 5. Oops, try again. 1. Try again. What else? Let me put 9. 8. Hooray! I guessed right. Now, as you can see, it's like our logic actually work. But in actual sense, in a real life game, you should at least allow the user to guess like 3 times in terms of when they try to guess the first time, the second time, and they did guess it right the third time, you end the game. That should be a good scenario. Hope you understand. And this game can actually be improved. I would actually love you guys to actually do more than this. Think over what we've actually learned from this tutorial and actually improve on this game. I would like to see. I'll actually push this to a public repository where you guys can actually pull from my GitHub account, basically, so you can actually pull from it, work on it, or probably start your own from afresh and try to do something better than this. This is more or less like nothing, but for me, I just want you guys to actually know that you can actually build a simple game with JavaScript, not website only. You can actually use JavaScript to build web application and some other things. I hope you guys are enjoying my tutorial. I would like to hear from you. Thank you.